Hello friends, how are you doing today? As you know, we have drawn a big circle here. So today we are going to draw a good emotion, the guy who is in love. For this, let's draw the love sign instead of eyes here. So this is the love sign for left part. And now we are going to draw the love sign for the right part here. So this is the half part is done. Now we can show that the guy is very happy and he is a big smile in his face. We can draw a smiley face with the lips here. For the color, we can put yellow color. The whole circle we're going to fill up with yellow color. So let's put the color here right now. Alright, first we are going to encircle the whole outline so that we can have mostly an uniform color, as nice as we can get. We are trying our best. Alright. So the yellow color you can see here are putting the uniform shades, the same shades is going to fill up the whole circle. So as it pencil color, you know, this is a pencil color, so we can put the red color for the eyes here. Let's put red color in the love sign. All right. Also you can put the lips with the red color here. So this is nice and steady. The guy is in love and he's smiling. All right. Now we can put some shades like this. Also for this side, let's put some shades. As you know, you can do the simplest modifications as you like, no problem, as long as you can show the emotions or the expressions. Okay. So this is the drawing. I hope you like the video. Please do the practice. You can draw better than this one. So this is the basic steps as we need to follow to have our nice drawing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel if you like the videos. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.